Alright, ready to dive into the world of snacks? Today I'm taking you on a wild, crunchy ride through the factory to see exactly how Doritos are made. Trust me, after this, you'll never look at a chip the same way again. Continues from previous shot. First up, the ingredients. Doritos start simple corn, vegetable oil, salt, and a powerhouse of secret spices. But it's what happens next that's wild. The process kicks off with massive trucks unloading golden kernels of corn into the factory. Continues from previous shot. These kernels get soaked and cooked until they're soft and ready for action. Continues from previous shot. Then they're ground up and turned into a thick, doughy paste. Continues from previous shot. Now here's where things get cool. That corn dough gets flattened with heavy rollers into super thin sheets. Continues from previous shot. Then, machines slice the dough into perfect triangles. The classic Dorito shape. It's oddly mesmerizing to watch thousands of triangles speeding down the line. Next stop, the oven. The chips are baked at super high temps, locking in that iconic crunch. But we're not done yet. The real magic happens when they hit the fryer. For just a few seconds, each chip takes a hot oil bath, puffing up and turning golden. That's when you get that crispy bite everyone loves. After the fryer, it's time for flavor. The chips roll down conveyor belts into giant rotating barrels, like a spicy tornado. Here they get blasted with that legendary Doritos seasoning. Think nacho cheese Cool Ranch or one of the wild limited edition flavors. Finally, the chips zip through quality control where workers check for perfect crunch and flavor. Then, they're bagged up by high-speed machines and sealed tight, ready to ship out and land in your next snack bowl. So next time you rip open a fresh bag of Doritos, remember, you're snacking on chips that went through a high-tech, high-speed journey from simple corn to ultimate flavor bomb. Thanks for hanging out with me on this snack-filled adventure. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes food secrets. See you in the next video.